Hi guys and welcome back to World of Trades. Today we're going to read together and talk about Robinhood stock. So, is Robinhood stock a buy right now after hitting all-time lows? So, Robinhood is the popular stock market trading app among young and first-time investors and traders. After the company hyped IPO on July 29, is Robinhood stock a buy in the current stock market weakness? So, Robinhood stock IPO. On July 28, Robinhood priced 55 million shares at $38 a share, rising $2.1 billion. But the pricing came in at the low end of its expected range. The stock closed the day at 44.82, more than 8% below the IPO price. The company is known for pioneering commission-free stock trading with an account minimums. The platform allows users to make unlimited commission-free trades in stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, and cryptocurrencies. Robinhood ranked amongst the best online stockbrokers in 2021 for mobile trading, platforms apps, and margin investing interest rate. The application is popular among young and first-time investors and traders. Millions of young investors flocked to Robinhood during the meme stocks trading mania for a stock like GameStop and AMC. Excitement around cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin also fueled interests in the app. While we are only 6 years into our journey, we have already seen profound transformations in how people think about their money. Chief Executive Vlad Tenev and Chief Creative Officer Baiju Bhatt said in written remarks with the Robinhood IPO filing. The next generation of investors is younger and more diverse than ever before, and finance is now as culturally relevant as music and arts, the executive said. So we are seeing here at the moment, a very bad price action, a very bad graph, if you look at it like this, from this perspective. So we have fallen from almost $80 to $14 or $13.69 at this moment. Robinhood stock fundamental analysis. The company had over 22 million funded accounts at the end of the first quarter. More than half of the customers' funding accounts said Robinhood was their first brokerage account. The company said it had 81 billion in assets under control. Okay, that's a great number. Robinhood reported its Q3 results on October 26 after the market close. The company gave weaker than expected revenue guidance after missing estimates for the third quarter as retail trading activity fell. Robinhood lost $2.06 a share versus a 5-cent loss a year ago, though it's not clear if that's a comparable figure to analyst estimates. Year over year, Q3 revenue rose 35% to $364.9 million, definitely falling short, but that's still a great revenue. Hood stock news. On August 5th, Robinhood said various shareholders will sell up to 97.9 million shares over time. The maximum selling price for Robinhood stock will be $35.12 for the offering, which will generate proceeds for the shareholders of up to $3.44 billion. In response, Robinhood stock plunged over 27%, giving back a large portion of the previous session's 50% surge. On August 31, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler said banning payment for trades is an option. The top stock market regulator told Barron's that a ban on payment for order flow is on the table. Because Robinhood doesn't charge its users fees for trades, it generates revenue by directing trades to certain market makers in return for a portion of the profits. Gensler told Barron's the practice has an inherent conflict of interest, noting that SEC staff could come out with proposals in the coming months. They gave the data, they get the first look, they get to match of buyers and sellers out of that order flow. That may not be the most efficient markets for the 2020s. Gensler added, I'm raising this because it's on the table. This is very clear. Robinhood stock price and technical analysis. Robinhood stock price dropped nearly 1% Wednesday, trading around 14.23. The stock hit an all-time low on January 18th at 14.26. Hood stock is about 80% off the all-time high set on August 4 at $85. Keep an eye out for a new base to form, which would offer the stock's first buy point. Yes, I do agree. According to the IBD stock checkup, Hood stock was shown as a weak 7 out of perfect 99 IBD composite ratings. The composite rating helps investors easily measure stock. Okay, so here looks like very weak, but still we could see a base forming right here. So is Robinhood stock a buy right now? Robinhood stock is one of the top IPO stocks to watch in the current stock market action. The company boasts solid sales growth in recent quarters, and the company's potential is encouraging amid the surging popularity of stock trading among young investors. Shares are far from their post-IPO highs, and there is no current buy point, so the stock isn't a buy right now. Wait for the stock to form its first base, which would offer initial buy point. For more leading stock, okay, so the Hood. So guys, tell me, what do you think about Robinhood stock? In my opinion, we could see the Hood rising shortly. I think of that because there has been so much blood in the markets that there has to be a reverse point at some time. I don't believe that the stock is going to zero or it's going to the list. So it's one of the biggest names out there. They are innovating a lot. They are growing a lot. So we could still expect them to grow a fair percentage over time. If you feel like investing in this stock, I would still do cost dollar averaging, like buying 3, 4, 5, 10 shares a day, depends on your budget, and then go from there, because in the future we will probably see this stock at around $20, $25, $30, depend on the general market and how the market is going to move. When the market is going to move from the big names to the smaller names, we will see a surge. So hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I wish you a great time.